Hello guys, this is a quick run through of what my cleaning schedule looks like every week. I found that focusing on one or two tasks every day prevents bigger messes from happening and maintains a clean home as well. So I usually start my days pretty early. I do the usual morning routine to alert my mind and body that I'm ready to go. So I wash my face, brush my teeth, brush my hair, and we head to the kitchen. I love playing some smooth jazz or my favorite playlist in the back. I usually do this to just keep my mind motivated and just not get bored in the silence of it all, even during the early mornings. I always strive to use minimal and eco-friendly cleaning products such as apple cider vinegar, soap bars, and fiber brushes for tougher jobs. While I'm doing the other chores on Mondays and Tuesdays, I also make sure to wash in between those times. Washing doesn't require multitasking. You just go ahead and throw the laundry in there and just let that do the work. When it comes to Wednesday, I have all of the clothes piled up and I can just focus on that. And I also like to color code it. I know not everyone does this, but it's so pleasing to me to have everything color coded. So I color code it by beige and white, then colors separated and dark after. And Tuesdays it's floor day. I use the broom and mop system from Norwex. Norwex is a Norway company. It's originally from Norway and it's embedded with silver, so it acts as a natural antibacterial property. I will go ahead and link them in the description below if you'd like to know more about it. I've been using this for years. I've never had to purchase a mop in my life. It's much easier, much more lighter, and more efficient to clean and reuse as well. They have a beige and I believe like a pink one, so it's more aesthetic, if you will. This is the first one that they come out with, so you can tell that it's been used for quite a bit of time now. So I just sit down, relax, and just focus on the laundry. I also like to separate any wrinkled clothing that needs to be ironed for later. And if I still have time, I go ahead and use the rest of the evening on Wednesday to iron any clothes, and if not, I just leave it for Thursday. So Thursdays is to wash the bathrooms. I have several brushes for each task, and this is a bamboo brush. It's so good, it's multi-purpose. You probably remember that I used one for the kitchen. This is a separate one. I only used this one for the bathroom. And this bamboo brush is so good because it gets all of the grime and dirt off the bathtubs and the sinks. And on Fridays, I use it for any project that needs to be done or any chore I wasn't able to get to. It can either be cleaning the fridge, decluttering a closet, tackling a DIY project, or something else. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was just a really quick video. If you guys would like a more in-depth video to show you what I actually use and how I use it, make sure to subscribe. That way you don't miss any of my videos, and hit that notification bell for whenever I do post one. What is your favorite room to clean, and do you have a weekly cleaning schedule? Let me know what's your schedule like. Thank you guys for being here, and I will see you in the next video.